Hi, my name is Vanessa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 serum, and the B5 refers to panthenol. This serum helps to hydrate and plump the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and strengthening your skin's moisture barrier. You can use it on all skin types, daily in the morning and or evening, on its own or along any other skincare products that you may be currently using. It does not have any conflicts. However, you may feel confused about when you then should include it in your skincare routine. And this is now where I want to share with you a visual example, and I want to keep my main focus towards the Ordinary products. I took already care of the conflicts, so if you want to recreate this routine at home, you can go ahead and do so. Just remember, as always, to always pick the right products for your skin type and skin needs. Now right here you can see the example morning skincare routine. Some of the steps are optional, which you can include, but you don't have to. It's completely fine to use your hyaluronic acid serum immediately after your cleansing step before applying your sunscreen. However, if after your cleansing step you want to target your specific eye area, you can include a water-based eye serum. Then move on to your water-based face serum. This is the step where you would use your hyaluronic acid serum on its own, or you may want to use it in combination of an additional water-based serum like niacinamide or alpha-butane. And after that, you can move on to an anhydrous solution, which is a water-free solution. And then finally, protect your skin with a good sunscreen if you have sun exposure. Now, I did not include a moisturizer in the morning skincare routine because there are several formulations of sunscreens which feel very hydrating on the skin. Therefore, you have the 2-in-1. Therefore, you can skip your moisturizing step, and then you have a much proper layering experience. Now below the example routine, you'll find the overall general guide of how much you need to use of the individual products and how you can apply them to the skin. As for the evening skincare routine, you can go with the same setup, just without your sunscreen step. However, I've changed it up a bit, not only because some of the products conflict with what I've just added, but at the same time, I want to give you a different perspective depending on your individual needs and depending on the treatments that you want to include. Now, right here, you can see the first example evening skincare routine where you would wash your face with your regular water-based cleanser. However, if your regular water-based cleanser isn't able to properly take off your sunscreen and or makeup because it's mineral-based or waterproof, well then you can go ahead using an oil or balm cleanser instead of your regular cleanser, or you may want to do a double cleanse, using your oil or balm cleanser at first and then move on to your regular water-based cleanser to properly wash your face. After that, I've included an exfoliating acid toner or serum to give you this step as well. And then you would move on to your water-based serum, such as the application of your hyaluronic acid serum, or additionally in combination with niacinamide or alpha-butane. Again, I took already care of the conflicts, therefore I've picked those treatments. And then after that, you can follow on with your moisturizer if you should feel the need. But of course, it wouldn't be wrong to just use your cleanser and then your hyaluronic acid serum, and that's it. Below you have the general guide. I've adjusted it based on the treatments that I have changed, plus the frequency guide of how often you can work with your exfoliant. And then this would sum up the evening skincare routine, which you may want to recreate at home. Now, if you want to go over the example skincare routines in your own time, plus you want to see what products that I have picked with a little description next to it, for whom they are suitable, what they specifically do, so that you have an idea of what you're going to choose, you'll find everything in the PowerPoint, which I'm going to leave in the description box down below. But now that you know for whom it is suitable, when you can use it and when you can include it in a skincare routine, let's head into the application. For this demo, I'm using the Ordinary Glucoside Foaming Cleanser. First, wet your face with lukewarm to warm water. Avoid using hot water as it can dry out the skin. Next, take a small amount of the cleanser and gently massage it all over your face for about 30 seconds. This process helps to break down excess oil, dirt, sweat, sunscreen and makeup. After massaging, rinse well. If necessary, use a soft, clean microfiber washcloth. Wet it and then squeeze it out so that it's damp, not soaking wet. Use the washcloth to gently swipe over your face and neck. This step will help remove any remaining traces of the cleanser, sunscreen or makeup. If you use the washcloth, rinse your face again. Finally, to ensure proper layering and absorption of your hyaluronic acid serum and other skincare products, take a clean towel and gently pat it all over your face. This will remove any remaining water droplets from the skin's surface. If desired, you can now use your favorite exfoliating acid toner or serum before applying your hyaluronic acid serum. And I'm going to apply the toner. Saturate a cotton pad with toner, being careful not to over soak it. And then swipe it all over your face and neck, avoiding the eyelids, eye contour and lips. Leave it on the skin, do not rinse. Wait 1 to 2 minutes for it to absorb. Remember, you do not need to redampen or mist your face in between, as this can lead to layering issues or cause severe irritation or sensitivities over time. Instead, immediately dispense 3 to 5 drops of your hyaluronic acid serum onto the palm of your hand or fingertips. Rub them together and then blend it all over your face and neck. Leave the hyaluronic acid serum on the skin, do not wash it off. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds, then move on to the next product. Now you can leave it as it is and use your hyaluronic acid serum on its own, or follow with an additional water-based serum such as niacinamide or alpha-butane, and or follow with a moisturizer on top. And in this example I'm going to go with the moisturizer. To apply it, squeeze out about a bean-sized amount onto your fingertips, rub them together and then evenly apply it over your face and neck. Leave it on the skin, do not wash it off. Remember that you'll find my example skincare routines, product descriptions, layering tips, and sunscreen application and removal guides all in the PowerPoint, which I'm going to leave in the description box down below so that you can check it out and even save it to your device. Now I do hope that you enjoyed this video and that you find it helpful. If you did so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skincaring!